Indian markets, after being in a range-bound session for the past few weeks, has broken out on the upside. It has reached 11,700 resistance levels and touched a high about 11,856. While for this week, the low was at about 11,550 odd levels. The positive breakout has been on account of good inflation data. It has gone to about 2.86%, improving corporate results. It's been on expected lines. There is China GDP, which is looking to be arresting the downside, as well as good monsoon predictions for this season by IMD. So overall, there has been positive news all across. The Indian markets have closed today at about 11,752 odd levels, up by about 1.35% on a week-on-week basis. The indices that did well has been auto, which was up by about 3.8%. Consumption was up by about 2.2%, while realty was down by about 2.3%. On the technical side, Nifty has formed a small bullish candlestick pattern on the weekly charts, while on the daily charts, it's formed a small bearish candlestick pattern. So it looks a bit tentative. With regards to RSI, it is still up at about 68 odd levels, and MACD is still above the single line. So overall, we have a positive outlook for the Indian markets in the coming, primarily on account of global FI inflows, as well as the rate cut that could be expected on account of a controlled inflation. However, with regards to the Indian markets, we do have volatility that could come in, primarily on account of the election activities that are going along and the results that might come in the next few weeks. The growth outlook on the global markets looks tentative, as well as we have an FNO expiry in the coming week. So we would expect you to trade a bit cautiously. On the upside, the resistance at about 11,856 odd levels, and on the downside, the support is at about 11,550 odd levels. With regards to our stock recommendations, we have a buy recommendation on Minda Industries. We have a target price of 408 odd levels. So the stop loss at 370 odd levels. This stock has been moving upwards for the past few days. It has breached the 200-day moving average. The RSI is positive about 62 odd levels. We have an upside target of about 5% on the stock. It has formed a bullish candlestick pattern on its daily charts as well. The other buy recommendation is Bajaj Auto. We have a target price about 3193 odd levels with a stop loss at about 2950 odd levels. This stock has been going up for the past 7 odd days. Again, bullish candlestick pattern has been formed. It has reached the 50-day moving average, and RSI is at about 62 odd levels. The sell recommendation that we have is on Tata Communications. We have a target price about 554 odd levels with a stop loss at about 590 odd levels. This stock has gone down from its 50-day moving average. It's been on a selling spree for the past few days. The RSI has also gone on to about 42 odd levels. So that's our recommendations. Thank you.